What's up, y'all? It's a full one here, back again with an unpackaging unboxing from Just Saying. This time around, it's with tank tops, so you buy like 2 get 1 free kind of deal. So I went with that, and pretty much it's a tank top order. Got a few extra stuff, not tank top, because I needed those for the Goro jersey. So let's get to it. Might show off a few of them. We'll see. I mean, it's kind of early in the morning, and I got to go to the gym. I've been a little slacker this week since I took days off. And whenever I take days off, I'm a slacker. It's hardcore. Some days, sometimes I'm not, but this week it was a pretty bad one. So this time around, they did package them up pretty decent. One of them did not get packaged in, but we did get it. So we'll open these up and organize it. It does look like we do have everything. Got the 2 joggers, the 2 shirts, and the 4 tank tops. 1 shirt, 1 long sleeves, 2 joggers, 2 for the set. And yeah, so let's go with the set. Let's go with the tank tops first, since that's the main order. Actually, I'm slacking off. Let's go with the Goro Shigeno. So I never ordered one of these before. I ordered a casual shirt before, but not one that just says Just Saying on it. So this one I felt like would be a good undershirt for the Goro's jersey. As you can see, it says Just Saying, have an up open button, and it'll be pretty decent. So I got this one. I want to say this is an extra large. I don't think I changed the size yet for this one. Yeah, just an extra large. So next one, this is the long sleeve for it. I thought it was under. Yeah, kind of iffy because of the bands that have the wraps. Because this is the Broly long sleeve Onyx without the aura. I thought this would be pretty good to have under as well, because you know Goro Shigeno wears the black long sleeves a lot of the times. So we got that, and then not too bad. Kind of blends in a little bit, and yeah, it's not that serious if it has the sleeves on there. So I got this one. This one I'm part word with it button up. Why did I zip it? Button. So those 2. Next, we'll go with the sets and say the tank tops are last, since, like I said, the order was made for tank tops anyways. So the sets will go through with the tank tops. So I'm still getting extra larges on these. So this is one of the ones I have not seen many people wear, and it's the tank top with Dio. Y'all know I have the Dio zip up already, and here's the tank top. It looks pretty decent. I haven't seen this one up close at all, since I just seen the top. You know, I'm not a big fan of the mask, but since it's a razor, I decided to get it. And the back, the world with the time. That's kind of cool. I didn't notice that before. I don't know. Like I said, I haven't seen many people get this one, but yeah, since it's a tank top, I thought the face wasn't too bad. Since it's kind of not as big print, you could say. Here's the joggers. Maybe I'll show off that one, since I haven't seen many people show off that one. And you get the joggers. So on this side, you have the mask, little big mask. On here you had Muda Muda Muda. And on this side, it has Muda 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 as well. Not bad. Now this one is a set that I worn a lot regularly with the short sleeves and low cut shorts. It's the Delta set, and we got the Attack on Titan one, Wings of Freedom. You know how much I love that. I thought that was awesome that they put that on there. So I had to get it for the razor, because you know back day, always nice. Got to have that font right there with the text and everything, even though I can never show it off well. But yeah, Wings of Freedom. Boop, boop, boop. And then of course, got the matching joggers. So this one will be a nice set. Both of those sets are extra large for both. And I can wear these joggers too with the short sleeve. So it says Cervic Corpse on both. And then the logo right here. And last, the 4 tank tops. So since these tank tops came out, they came out kind of with the print on some of them, and some of them with the casual, not casual, but the regular I guess you could say casual, right? The casual print. So it has the casual print, and then one is a Delta print. So this is the Shinobu Delta one, I want to say. Yeah, this is definitely the Delta one. It looks pretty nice. I need to get the joggers for these. I didn't order joggers because it was a little bit more pricey than I wanted. And then here's the Shinobu's casual looking one, which I probably wear once in a while. Probably wear for a more active rest day because, you know, it's all white. But I love the colorway for Shinobu, so sometimes I had to get it. So there's that one. And last is our girl, Nezuko. So I'll show the Delta one off first. See, the Delta one looks pretty nice. Be good with the shorts and everything. And then the casual, which, you know, I got the t-shirt for that, the zip up, the shorts. So it'll be a nice one to wear with all that too. Especially with the button up, have this one button up, the zip up. Wear that one with this underneath would be nice, since sometimes the zip, they get a little tight during the day, not during the day, but during the workout. But not bad, pretty nice. We'll see how these good. I'll show how these are, how well they will do, and we'll go from there. So I'll show off the Dio one, and then I'll be right back with it, and then I'll change back into this, and we'll call it a day with the review of that, and I'm off to the gym. So I'll be back, y'all. Take care. And we're back with the review part. As you can see, here's how it looks from a bit far. Can't see the joggers that well, but it's all good. We'll move it down once we do a little more rotation. So just know whenever you get razors, like in other videos, they don't have the wording on the side like they do with the short sleeves and long sleeves. Can't see all the jogger, but that's okay. We'll do another full rotation one of these days. But I gotta get to the gym, so this might be a little bit rush, but it's all good. So anyways, y'all, hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully y'all can stop by and get some gear, and also use the code, the big 3, since I just got mine about a month ago, even though I should have made this video a while back of me getting it. But anyways, thank y'all, take care, peace.